Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this quick, easy purse. Please guys, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, share within and outside your circle. Help me get to my full monetization threshold so that I can be able to get amazing tools, gadgets for this channel so that I can be able to make amazing projects for you guys basically. I made it in like 30 minutes. And guys, if you want to know how I made this patchwork, it's on my channel already. I'm going to link it up here and down below in the description box so that you guys can check it out. It's amazing, very easy to make. Let's just get into this tutorial.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides.
And guys, this is what it looks like. I told you guys it's going to be really easy. I love how the patchwork looks like. It's actually made it even more fabulous. If you try this out, please tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers. Thank you guys so far for the super thanks. I appreciate every single one of you. Please subscribe to the channel. Help me get to my full monetization threshold by watching my videos to the end, watching my other videos. I would love it. Help me achieve my Christmas gift of full monetization this December. It will make me so amazingly happy. And yes, that's it for this tutorial. Happy holidays, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.